Wait, why are we applauding for that? He took a green.
It was good.
All right, everyone. The second color is blue. Then red, green, yellow, then blue, then green. All right, the last three, red, blue. Are you gonna be able to reach the top?
Yes, go.
Yellow, are you actually?
Very long arms, go.
You know what? Kevin, you got it? Here, I got you. All right, Ann.
It's done! It's done!
All right, go for it, start building.
It's done! It's over!
First 6 to complete it. First to 6 to complete it, move on. And the rest are going home.
Well, we got one finisher.
Okay, Alex from the Chainsmokers has finished first. There are only 5 spots remaining. Wait, your pattern